Let's look at another property. That's what we need more of, right? Lots and lots of properties. So we're going to look at the quotient power property. It's very similar to the power property, or the product power property, I should say. So let's get our pen ready. And let's look at 2/3 to the 4th. So what does 2/3 to the 4th mean? It means 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3. What do we get there? We have 2, 2, 2, 4 2's, 2 to the 4th on top, over 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 to the 4th on the bottom. So we can do the same thing. We can distribute that 4 to the 2 and 2 to the 3 using the quotient to a power property for exponents. What is 2 to the 4th? It is 16. What is 3 to the 4th? It is 81. So that is going to be your final answer for that one. So here is our official quotient to a power property for exponents. Now let's use this property so we don't have to keep writing all of these fractions out. We start with b over 3 to the 4th. Let's distribute that out. We get b to the 4th over 3 to the 4th, which is b to the 4th over 81. We've seen this before, haven't we? Where we have a fraction to a negative exponent. This is a bit of a review. So this is the same thing as saying we just got to flip them over, right? Because we have a negative exponent. We want to get rid of that negative exponent. J over k to the 3rd, which is j to the 3rd over k to the 3rd. Now I got some messier ones. Let's look at number 3. So we're going to distribute this out. We're going to use the power to a product rule and the power to a quotient rule. So this will be 2 to the 3rd, x to the 3rd, y to the 2 times 3 over z to the 3rd. Make sure your z and your 2 don't look too much like each other or you could get that mixed up. So 2 to the 3rd is 8, 8x to the 3rd, y to the 2 times 3 is y to the 6th, over z to the 3rd. Our last one, number 4, we're going to distribute this out as well. If you wanted to, you could get rid of the negative exponent first, but you don't necessarily have to do that right away if you don't want to. So you're going to have 4 squared p to the negative 3 times 2 over q to the 2 times 2. That is 4 squared is 16 p to the negative 6 over q to the 4th, which is, got to get rid of that negative exponent or it's not completely simplified. So 16 over p to the 6, q to the 4th. Let's go ahead and work on problem 19 and we'll continue onward.